In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color and highlight. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make important words stand out and how to add clear, readable highlights that guide your audience's eye. Start by selecting the text you want to format. Click and drag your mouse across the exact words you want to change. If you only need a single word, a quick double click usually does the trick. For a full sentence or paragraph, try triple clicking or hold shift and use the arrow keys to fine-tune your selection. If you want everything on the page, use the keyboard shortcut for Select All. Take a second to confirm you've highlighted only what you intend. The changes you make next will apply to that selection. Once your text is selected, look for the formatting menu that appears. You should see an A icon, often a capital letter A with a color bar beneath it. That's your color and highlight control. Click the A icon to open the color options. This is where you'll find two key sections: color for changing the text itself and background for adding a highlight behind the text. If your goal is to change the text color, choose a swatch under the color section. You'll typically see a palette of standard options, and in many apps, you can pick custom colors if you're matching a brand or a specific theme. As you click a color, you'll usually see a live preview on your selected text, so you can quickly judge whether it feels readable and consistent with the rest of your document. If you want to highlight text, switch to the background section and choose a highlight color. The highlight sits behind the letters, much like a real highlighter. For best results, pair a light background highlight with dark text, or a darker highlight with white or very light text. Aim for strong contrast so your content stays legible for everyone. A few quick tips while you choose. Subtle, saturated colors often look cleaner than overly bright neons. Consistent choices across your document make it feel polished. And if something looks hard to read, it probably is. If you change your mind, pick the default color, black, or an option labeled automatic to reset the text, and choose transparent or none to remove a highlight. When you're happy with the result, click away from the selection to see it in context. If you need to format more areas, repeat the same process. Select, click the A icon, then choose color or background. And remember, if anything goes off track, a quick undo will take you right back.